Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tobie. Today I am unboxing a pre-loved wholesale clothing to resell. I personally have an eBay store. I will put the link in the description in case you want to check it out. I'm doing this video because I want to know if wholesale boxes are actually worth purchasing for resale. And I also want to know what kind of qualities you can get from these boxes. Without me rambling on too much, let's get into the video. total of 41 items from this box. And as you can see from the video, I got a lot of sport brands, different items, male, female. I think I got a lot of male clothing, and I'm really happy with the box. And all I need to do now is to get listing. Thank you all for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.